A little bit more for the ballroom fans. We're just going to continue with the Foxtrot, which by now you should have done your feather step. So the end of your feather, you'll finish there up on the toes. Normally you follow with a 3-step, which is the simplest. So if I lift it up here on the toe, what you need to practice and what tends not to happen is that starting to turn left as you're coming in to the 3-step. So if you get yourself up there on the toes and just first of all practice that turn, you lower it into the heel of the right foot, which enables you to come forward on the heel of the left foot, and it also gives you the power to move forward into the 3-step. Your 3-step, as it says, is step, step, step. So if you do that on its own first, we're there at the end of the feather and we do step, step, step. It's actually as simple as that. What you've got to make sure of, first of all, is that the body turns slightly to the left as you're going into it. So just walk the 3 steps with the body turned slightly to the left. So that gives you that little bit of CBM and also helps you power through. So we're in this position. Now the footwork on this one, you've got heel, heel toe, so you're getting a slight rise there, and then toe heel. Footwork once again, heel, heel toe, there's the rise, and then toe heel. So if we actually dance that from here, which is the end of the feather, it's heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. So you can see that slight rise in the middle, and also the body turning to come into the 3-step. And again, don't forget what we said is we come down here and we power off that back leg. Make sure the body moves through from the middle there. Same again, don't fall. Get the control on the lowering. It's the most important. If you don't control the lowering, it's all over the place. So we're up here now, we're nice and high, lifted up, and we're moving through there from the end of the feather. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. It's nice and gentle. End of the feather and swing through, heel, toe, toe, heel. So if we dance that as lazy, we're here. Again, turn as you're coming through. So you've got that CBM there. So the lady will be in this position. Won't be in that position. Lady will be in this position and swing back, slight rise there, and back. Actually toe heel, toe heel, toe heel for the ladies, but they match that slight rise there at the end of the 2. So you're in this position. Again, swing, turn that body through, and toe heel, slight rise there, toe heel. And we've got that touch of CBM for the girls. So that's, add that on to your feather step, but you should, by now you're already doing it. This is just analysing how you do each little piece of your routine. So try these on their own, get that right, and improve your Foxtrot.